Wellness starts here. This is a flyer I got from Costco, So you look at the first one, glucosamine and chondroitin for your joints, your cartilage, the ginkgo biloba, blood disorders and memory issues, the OptiFiber, natural solutions for GI tract problems, and then the calcium citrate, magnesium and zinc for bone strength, sleep quality. So, does wellness really start in a bottle? No, it doesn't. It does not at all. I've been vegan for 16 years, raw vegan 95% of the time. I've had some cooked food over the years. But I can honestly say that in 16 years, I have been sick maybe twice. So, where, I couldn't function normally, as normal. So, 16 years. Now, before that, I went vegan when I was 58 years old. I'm now 74. And in those 16 years, about 2 times I've been sick. And before that, the 58 years prior, I was sick at least three times a year with different ailments. Well, maybe not that many, but maybe every year I would get the flu. Okay. All right. So, what is sickness and disease? It's basically your body's way of detoxifying yourself. People are so afraid of getting a cold or getting the flu. If you get the flu or you get a cold, it's because your body is over toxic. There's too many toxins there. And when that happens, it's a breeding ground for pathogens, for bacteria, for viruses, for flus to get a foothold. But your body is so toxic that your body says, whoa, we've got to get that immune system going and start pushing these toxins out of the body. You're basically experiencing detox symptoms because your body's immune system has kicked in. So people are afraid of that. They think that, oh no, it's going to get worse, I'm going to die or whatever. But your body is just simply getting rid of toxins. And you have to learn to embrace that. But to get back to this thing we were looking at there, wellness. Does wellness really start there? No, it doesn't. Because you cannot take different nutrients out of foods, extract them, and expect them to have the same beneficial effect as the food itself. The food has all these different synergistic properties that work together. And your body assimilates that much better than taking a pill. You can actually have negative side effects from these supplements, because a supplement is just similar to drugs. They're not natural. They don't belong in your body. Your body has some type of adverse reaction because your body's saying, wow, what is this? And your body's trying to get rid of it. And when you look at the things that these so-called, wellness products are trying to help, for instance, your joints, okay, with glucosamine and chondroitin. My joints have gotten much better, 10 times better, much more flexible, because your joints clean out when you eat whole food, raw whole food. Now, like I said, I've been 95 or more percent raw in these last 16 years. And my body has gotten rid of a lot of the junk that was in there. I had frozen shoulders so bad, I couldn't raise my arm to serve the ball in tennis. And once I went vegan, the body starts to clean house. The uric acid crystals that can harden, that's what happened to my shoulder. They hardened in my shoulder. But once you stop injuring yourself with animal-based foods, processed packaged foods that have rancid oils in them, your body starts to clean house. And my joints now are better than ever. I take no supplements, zero. And I get everything I need from fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. The ginkgo biloba, for your memory issues, cognition, good cognition, it comes from keeping the saturated fats out of your diet. That's what's going to clog everything. It clogs your brain, it clogs your big toe. Now you've got gout in your big toe. What do you think it's doing to your brain, all that saturated fat and that acid producing food? It's causing inflammation. The optofiber, oh my goodness. Fiber, Metamucil, this one, OptiFiber. I am a perfect example of this because I was on a high-fat diet, processed foods, all the junk, and I had constipation so bad, it was hard for me to go to the bathroom. Just to have one bowel movement a day was a major thing. And after I had a bowel movement, I would have to rest. I'd have to lie down just to be able to function. Lie down for an hour just to function for the rest of the day. It was so painful. I had hemorrhoids that developed into fissures, which are, oh man, you don't even want to think about a fissure. It's horrible. I was taking herbal fiber blend. I was taking Metamucil, whatever I could, just to have that one bowel movement. Today, zero fiber. I get all the fiber I need from fresh, ripe, organic, if I can get it, fruits and vegetables. All that fiber, all that water. 2 weeks after I started a vegan diet, boom, I was having bowel movements like a champ. For me, it's normal, absolutely normal to have 2, 3, usually 3 bowel movements a day because I'm eating 3 meals. If I only eat 2, I have 2. So, OptiFiber, you don't need it. And as a matter of fact, bananas happen to be one of the best things for your gut flora, for your microbiome. Bananas, all fruits and vegetables, create good flora in the gut. And the last thing, the calcium citrate, the magnesium, and the zinc, bone strength, osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is caused by too much animal protein, animal fats, which create acids. The only way your body knows how to neutralize all those acids is to leach calcium from the bones and the teeth. You're losing calcium, okay, when you eat an animal-based diet and you're eating a diet of processed foods that create a lot of acid in the diet. Now, will this calcium citrate help? No, because your body's recognizing it as a foreign thing. Your body's like, what is this? It's not real food. Real food is what our bodies respond to the best. And fruits are numero uno. That's why this channel is called Fruit and Sport. Because if you want to take up your athletic performance, you want to take up your health, you have to start realizing that fruit is not a snack. Fruit is the main meal. And that's what I do. I eat it as the main meal. Like for breakfast, I had oranges and watermelon. That's it. For lunch, I'm going to have bananas, probably some berries, and that's it. And then for dinner, it's going to be more fruit, or it's going to be fruit followed by a salad, leafy greens, you know, so that's the way to health. It's not with supplements. Supplements are not going to get you where you want to go. So I hope that this resonates with some of you. I'm here to help. If you have problems, say something in the comment section below. I'm here to help, and I have programs on the website. You can check those out, which can also help you tremendously. So, adios amigos. You guys have a great day. I'm going to do a brief workout now. Well, maybe not that brief. It could be 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes. So we'll see. And work this morning. No lessons today. So I've got a day where I get a break from tennis, and all the best. Fruit up, baby. It's the only way to get healthy.